Okay, hello everyone. We continue with writing today. In note expansion. Kembangkan idea dalam penulisan karangan. Read through the notes to get a general idea. That's the first tip. Read through, then you know what you're going to write. Note the people involved in your story and the actions they perform. Okay, note the people, ambil tahu nama dia, maybe who are involved in the story, as well as actions, verb, kata kerja, apa yang dia buat. Add suitable details of your own to expand the note but keep to the storyline given. Okay, you can add your own detail, tambah maklumat sendiri, but make sure it's the same story as the words given. Okay, jangan ada buat cerita yang jauh sangat daripada direction of the story. For example, you can see below here. We'll go through that afterwards. Use linking words such as therefore, so, because, and etc. Okay, guna perkataan yang kata hubung so that you can join two short sentences together. For example, you have I love apple, I love pen, I love apple and pen, so that you can combine them, use linking words. To make your story more interesting, include adverbs and adjectives wherever appropriate. Okay, tambah adverbs and adjective. Okay, for example, the car move fast, the red car move fast. Alright. Finally, read your composition to check for errors. Okay, baca balik, check maybe ada terlebih terlebih s dan sebagainya. Okay, let's have a look on our examples. We have two examples here, I think. Okay, you have the words here given. Laila, active sports, studied hard, good results, PMR, parents proud. Okay, how are you going to write it? Okay, you put a linking word here. Although Laila was active in sports while in school, okay, kita dah pakai perkataan Laila and active sports. She also studied very hard. Okay, studied hard. She obtained good results in the PMR examination. Okay, good results in the PMR examination. Therefore, her parents were very proud of her. Parents proud. Okay, kita pakai semua point dia, but we add our own words and ideas as well. Okay, although it's a linking word, while in school, semasa di sekolah, this is your adverb here, adverb of time. She also studied hard. Okay, therefore are the linking words. Nampak? Kita guna all the tips here, as well as the one given here, so that we can write full sentences, full one paragraph or something like that. Next example. Cik Mawi last week, family, beach, children, swam, played, enjoyed themselves, thank father. Okay, how are we going to make story from here? Last week, okay, time, adverb of time. Cik Mawi took his family to the beach for a picnic. Okay. They did not mention picnic, but you can put it in your sentence because this is supporting this. Okay, family and beach. What do you do there? Picnic. The children spent a lot of time swimming in the water. After they were tired of swimming, they played on the beach. Or they all enjoyed themselves. They thanked their father for taking them on the picnic. Okay, this is the example. And the last example here, Pak Awi, monkey, Awang, plucks coconut, sells villagers, Awang happy buys Pak Awi kind to our own child. Okay, Pak Awi has a monkey named Awang. Okay, this is the name of the monkey. Every day Awang helps Pak Awi to pluck coconuts. Pak Awi sells the coconut to the villagers. Awang is very happy when Pak Awi takes it around on a bicycle. Okay, happy bicycle. Pak Awi is very kind to Awang and treats it like his own child. The last part. Okay, it might look easy, but how are we going to do it? Now we check the practice over here. We have a few words only, not as long as for practice one. Encik Jali, postman, deliver letters, job, not easy. So how are we going to write this? Okay. Of course, you take the name first, or you can put other words as well. But I don't think we need any time indicator here because we are going to state a fact. Okay, Encik Jali is a postman. This is too simple. You can stop here, no problem. But let's add a bit of a detail. So that where is Encik Jali working? Kat mana dia kerja? Encik Jali is a postman in the district of Kuala Muda. Okay, our district. Okay. What is his job? What does postman do? Deliver letters. So his job is to deliver letters. Okay. Then they say job not easy. Okay. Maksudnya kerja dia susah lah, tak senang. You can use the name again. You can use he. Encik Jali. If you use he, you have to use apostrophe s. Job is not an easy one because kenapa? He has to deliver letters whether it okay, susah sebab apa? Hujan ke panas ke, dia kena hantar juga surat. So whether it rains or shines. That's it. Okay. Just add a few details, maybe some linking words like because, yeah, for example, we have a linking word. That's all. Don't have to do too far. Next example, we try. Okay, Cik Sophia, kindergarten teacher, teaches 10 years, kind, help, pupils, happy, love. Okay, so we can put Cik Sophia. Okay, when you're stating fact, sometimes you don't need to put any time indicator. Is a kindergarten teacher. She teaches 10 years here. She has been teaching for 10 years. She is kind, help pupils, happy, love. Okay, how are we going to do that? She is a very kind teacher and always do what? Helps her pupils. Okay, we have used those points. Happy. They choose apa? The pupils, yeah, the children. They are very happy to have her as a teacher and they all love her very much. Okay, we just add a bit of the information here. And our last exercise. Okay. This one's for next lesson. Encik Jamal returned home late, car broke down, found house burgled. Okay, dirompak. Burglar used window to get in, pieces of glass, floor reported police. Okay, maybe if you're this is a story, not stating a fact like above, so we have to put a time indicator to make it a bit more obvious. So one night, Encik Jamal returned home late because sebab apa? His car broke down on the way. Okay, when he reached home, okay, once dia sampai rumah, found house burgled. Don't forget he found that his house has been burgled, dirompak. The burglar had used a window to get in. There were pieces of glass on the floor. Cik Jamal, what did he do? He reported to the police. Okay, immediately use another adverb. Reported the matter to the police. Alright, so that's it. Kita kena increase our vocabulary by reading a lot lah, so that we can use all the adjectives and adverbs and linking words. Alright, that's all for this session. Thank you everyone.